This is Haydn, and I want to share some comments with you about perception. Perception is automatic, it's effortless, and as far as any individual is concerned, it's accurate. In a court of law, you would testify that there's a red ball that's moving right to left, left to right at the bottom. But in fact, that red ball is not moving at all. There's a white ball that is moving right to left, left to right, that is covering up one red ball at a time. So in order to make a lot of progress with perception, you have to begin to understand that perception is synonymous with projection. In other words, what you see in here, what you see in your own mind, is what you see out there in the world. Perception is projection. Now, as you watch perception form from the time of birth, perceptions are built up on the basis of experience. Abused children see the world through abused eyes. Poor children see the world through poor eyes, and right on down the line. As time goes by, those experiences lead to a belief system. That belief system will become fixed. We believe that it starts becoming fixed by age 14 and will culminate in a final stage around age 21. Around 21, those beliefs not only become fixed, but the perceptions associated with them will begin to stabilize. So then you see what you believe, whether it's there or not. Therefore, and this becomes really important, if you believe it, you're going to see it. Let me say that again. If you believe something, you're going to see it out there in the world. But the opposite is also true, that if you don't believe it, you will not see it even when it's standing right in front of you. And that includes being happy, being fulfilled, being at peace. If you don't believe it, you will not see it out there in the world. Why? Because perception is projection. So that means that we have to start focusing on how not to see the world differently, but to how to see ourselves differently. Perception, therefore, and this is a quote out of A Course in Miracles, perception is the vehicle by which all ignorance is brought to knowledge. And the way that that will change is by way of consciousness. The real positive side of looking at how to change your perceptions of yourself is understanding that once you do, just like before, the mind will go about the business of seeking validation out there in the world for what it now believes to be true. And that is why learning how to transform your perceptions about yourself is so important.